Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really cool for all you laptop users out there. We're going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Ugreen Laptop Sleeve, envelope style 14-inch, model LP407. Now, I've been on the lookout for a new laptop sleeve that offers both protection and a little extra functionality. And this Ugreen one caught my eye for a couple of key reasons. I'm especially keen to see how it pairs with my Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 514-inch. Let's get this open. First impressions are always important, and right out of the box, you can tell this is a quality product. It feels premium, with a nice, smooth texture. This sleeve embraces a sleek, minimalist envelope design. It opens with a really satisfying magnetic clasp, or a simple fold-over, keeping your laptop secure but incredibly easy to access. This is fantastic for quick ins and outs, especially when you're on the go. Now, let's talk about the materials. The exterior of this sleeve is crafted from high-quality PU imitation microfiber, foam and velvet interior. It's not only stylish and professional looking, but it also feels durable and water-resistant, which is a huge plus for protecting your valuable tech from spills or light rain. Inside, it's lined with a super soft, almost velvety material, ensuring your laptop stays scratch-free and snug. This specific Ugreen model is for a 14-inch laptop, and I'm looking forward to seeing how perfectly my Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 514-inch fits in here. But here's where this sleeve really shines and adds a ton of value. This isn't just a sleeve, this transforms into a laptop stand. Check this out. You simply fold this cleverly designed flat back, and it creates a sturdy, ergonomic stand for your laptop. This is a game changer for improving your posture, reducing neck strain, and allowing better airflow for your device, which is especially important during longer work sessions. I can already tell this will make a huge difference when I'm working with my IdeaPad Slim 514-inch on the go. Whether you're working from a coffee shop, a co-working space, or even just your desk at home, having an integrated stand like this is incredibly convenient. You don't need to carry an extra accessory. It's all right here in one sleek package with your Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 514-inch. So, for those of you looking for a no-fuss, no-hidden zipper laptop sleeve that also doubles as a fantastic portable stand, especially if you own a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 514-inch or a similar 14-inch laptop, the Ugreen Laptop Sleeve envelope style 14-inch model LP407 really hits the mark. It's stylish, protective, and highly functional. What do you think? Have you tried this Ugreen sleeve, or do you have another favorite that doubles as a stand? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this unboxing helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.